आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ फिर से पाथफाइंडर का लॉज ऑफ मोशन का बिल्डअप योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग का क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ। जो स्टूडेंट मेरे रेगुलर क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं उनको तो मालूम ही है कि आपने वर्क पावर एनर्जी तक कंप्लीट कर लिया है। क्या मेरे इस चैनल के थ्रू जो आउटसाइडर स्टूडेंट होंगे, आई होप आप लोग भी वर्क पावर एनर्जी के कंसेप्ट तक को कंप्लीट कर लिए होंगे फॉर दिस सेशन। Why I am talking about the work power energy? Because laws of motion and work power energy have a mutual relationship, or we can say work power energy is the different aspect of the laws of motion itself. So इसलिए मैं आपको laws of motion के questions को थोड़ा एनर्जी के थ्रू भी बताने की कोशिश करूंगा, जिससे कि आप FBD के अप्रोच को अवॉइड कर सको, क्योंकि जब भी आप FBD ड्रॉ करते जाते हैं तो इक्वेशन थोड़ा सा लेंदी होता है, तो उस इक्वेशंस को आप कैसे अवॉइड कर सकते हो ये चीज मैं आपको सिखलाऊंगा। बहुत सारे सम्स यूरोडोक में भी दिया हुआ है जिसमें वेज एंड ब्लॉक कंस्ट्रेंट सम्स दिए हुए हैं लॉज ऑफ मोशन के, तो वहां भी आप इस कंसेप्ट का बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं। और जब भी वेज एंड ब्लॉक सिस्टम कंस्ट्रेंट वाले सम्स आपको मिलेंगे तो उसको आप इजीली एंड शॉर्टर मेथड में सॉल्व कर पाओ। तो चलिए आज मैं क्वेश्चंस को स्टार्ट करता हूं। आई थिंक आप लोग सभी कोई क्वेश्चंस को देख पा रहे होंगे। एक बार क्वेश्चन को आप लोग पढ़ लेंगे, फिर इसको हम लोग अप्रोच करेंगे। क्वेश्चन तो आपको दिख ही रहा होगा, इसलिए मैं क्वेश्चन को रीड आउट नहीं कर रहा हूं। देखिए इस सिस्टम को अगर आप देखें, इस ब्लॉक बेस्ड सिस्टम को, आप बोलेंगे तो इसको अलग से मैं ड्रॉ भी कर दे रहा हूं। This is given as A, and this is the other wedge of same mass B, and this is a small mass which is given as a block C in the given question. See, if you look for the system, then for the entire system, what we can say? By taking a system and a pseudo force वाला एक वीडियो भी आप लोगों के लिए अपलोड किया था, उसमें आप देखेंगे लॉज ऑफ मोशन का हमने कंसेप्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस किया, हाउ टू टेक दिस सिस्टम एंड ऑल, उसी को मैं फिर से यूज करूंगा आपको। तो देखिए अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यूटन ने जो भी अपना लॉज एंड स्टेटमेंट दिया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर आप यूज करें यहाँ पर कि क्या इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, तो चलिए मैं एक ऐसा कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम एज्यूम कर ले रहा हूँ। राइट डायरेक्शन is x and vertically up as a y. Then for a system, what we can write? For a system, the net external force on the system along the x. I am giving this suffix as a x, means external force on the system along the x direction. You can write as m a x plus for b a b x plus a small m a c x. We can write from the Newton's law of motion. Newton's law of motion force equation, that F external is equals to mass and acceleration. I think ये आप सभी को मालूम हो. So from the given sum, what we can say, if you look at the system, then one can say on the B only external force is acting gravity in the downward direction with respect to an observer who is in inertial frame. So this block is going to come down. So in the horizontal direction, C will not have any acceleration. So this goes to 0, right? And for Bx and Ax, what we can say, then you know B is moving on this A. So in this direction, you can write the acceleration of B with respect to A, right? So what we can write, F external on the system is 0. M, say this will go this side with acceleration A. The reason is, you know well from the FBD already you have done. normal reaction on this wedge is going to act in this direction, and it has a horizontal component in this direction that compels this wedge to move in the horizontal direction. So on the behalf of that, I have given the direction of AA in the horizontal direction in the left side. Okay. So here we can write MA. And if you take this side as a positive, this side as a positive, then this will be in the negative direction. So you need to give one negative sign also. Similarly, for the B, what we can write, then you can check for the A, B, A is in this direction. This angle is also 45. So this angle will be also 45. So in this direction, you can write ABAX. ABAX value will be ABA cos 45 degree and ABAY is ABA sin 45. Means you can say ABAX is coming equals to ABAY. Because cos 45 and sin 45 have equal values. So what we can write regarding the ABX, then you can write A12 plus A2. In the Galilean transformation in kinematics, you have seen already, if you have to write the acceleration of this wave B in the horizontal direction from the ground frame, then you have to take account of, like, say, this is your ABA and A is in this direction. So its component is coming ABA cos 45 that we have seen, and this is your AA. The resultant of these two will give the net acceleration of B in the ground frame, but we are interested to write the acceleration in the horizontal direction because here suffix is given as a BX. So what we can write? We can write as ABX plus, otherwise directly we can write, मैं आपको साइड में मैं लिख दे रहा हूं जिससे आप इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने में इजी होगा. You can write ABX is ABX plus AX. So since right side we have taken as a positive, so this is ABA cos 45 minus A. So you can substitute the value here. So this mm we are taking outside. So here it is coming 2AA is ABA cos 45, which you can write also 2 root 2 AA is AB. Right? If we have to find ABX, then ABX is ABA cos 45 minus A. ABA cos 45 value is 2AA minus A. So this is coming AA. And ABY, if we are going to calculate, then this is nothing but ABY. Because if you write AAY, so this wave, which is known as A, has no acceleration in the y direction. So that's why this goes to 0. So this has only AB, AY, which already we have calculated here. This is equals to ABA sin 45 or whatever cos 45, which is coming equals to 2AA. So if you find out the AB, then its net value would be, these all are your Galilean transformation that we have done in kinematics. So this is coming root 5 times AB. So AB value is coming equals to this, and AC, if we have to find the AC, so you know this is in contact with this wave B. So from constraint of the rigid body, that already we have done in the class, what we can say, AC will be equals to ABA Y in the vertical direction. Whatever it has component in the vertical direction, this C will also come down if C is always in contact with the B. And this value is nothing but ABA sine 45. And ABA sine 45 is nothing but cos 45, which is coming equals to 2AA. Isn't it? So here just we have calculated the constraint relationship, how their kinematical parameters means their acceleration velocities of all the three blocks are related with each other. These all are your kinematics part with the help of laws of motion we have calculated. So finally, what we can say, we have AB equals to root 5A and AC is equals to 2AC. Okay. So we have AB equals to root 5AA and AC equals to AA. Right? Also we have 2A equals to ABA. So we can write this as a ABA cos 45 also. Isn't it? Similarly, we can say regarding their velocities also, whatever the relationship are there in their acceleration, same relationship will be their velocities also. Now come to this problem. What we can say, with the help of work power energy, what we can say, on this system, there is only gravity which is acting vertically down, due to which the wedge B and the block C is going to lose their potential energy, and finally which is going to convert it into their kinetic energy, because on the system there is no such dissipative forces which can lose the energy. So total energy on the system must be conserved. So what we can write from the energy conservation, at any instant we can say velocities can be written as half mva square plus half m vba square plus half m vca square is equals to m mg hb mg hc. We can write. So since these are the constant quantities, so if you take a derivative and use the kinematical dependence, then we will get the result. This is our objective to find out. So after taking a derivative, what we can write, it will come mva AA, because if you take a derivative of VA square, then it will be 2VA, derivative of VA means acceleration. So 2 get cancelled. So directly I am writing. Similarly, we can write MVV AV plus MVC AC is MG DHB by dt. See, DHB by dt means the vertical height. So since velocity is coming in this direction, so whatever the DH value, in this direction, this is coming with VA. So this DH will be VBA cos 45 times TT. This is for your B. So similarly, what we can write, DHB by dt will be nothing but VBA cos 45. And similarly, dHc by dt we can write the same, because both will have the same vertical speed, same vertical acceleration. So we can write VBA again cos 45. Now we have to substitute the value. So if you like to convert this all velocities in the term A, then what you can write, this VA, but we need to find out the acceleration of the block C, then convert the A into the C. So what is the relation between A and AC? Then A is coming AC by 2. So we can write AC by 2 plus M. What we can write VB value in terms of VA. So here VB is means similarly we can write VB is equals to root 5 times VA. So here VB can be written as root 5 times VA, and again AB can be written as root 5 times AA, and A is nothing but AC by 2, because we need to convert the acceleration in the AC and velocity in terms of the V. Similarly, for the VC, if you convert in terms of VA, then what we can write? VC is 2 times VA and AC is there. So, and VA cos 45 means ABA cos 45 is nothing but twice of VA. So, what we can write this as a VB cos 45 as a twice mg VA plus twice mg VA. So this VA, if you take common from the other side, then get cancelled out. So we have m by 2 here, and root 5 is 5m by 2. I am taking AC as a common, plus 2m, and times AC is 2mg plus. So if you take AC common, so this is coming m plus m, 6m plus 4m and 2 will go that side, which make twice of m plus mg. So AC is coming twice m plus mg. You take 2 common from this side. So this will be 3m plus 2. This was asking me. I hope তোমরা সবাই explanation কে ভালো করে বুঝে গিয়েছো। Not about the acceleration of AC, শুধু acceleration of C block বাহার করতে জিজ্ঞেস করেছে সেজন্য করেছি, কিন্তু তোমরা সব now AB কি হবে, acceleration of wedge A কি হবে, easily you can calculate, velocity টাও তুমি calculate করতে পারো। So through this method তোমরা সব FBD যে unnecessary questions গুলো lengthy হয় ওকে তুমি অ্যাভয়েড করতে পারো। ঠিক আছে, আই হোপ তোমরা সব explanation ভালো লেগেছে। So through my channel তুমি আপডেটেড থাকো, এরকমই আমি আর কনসেপ্ট গুলো তোমরা সব জন্য নিয়ে আসো, দেখে নিশ্চয়ই তোমার ফিজিক্স কনসেপ্টটা একটু বুস্ট হবে। আর যে আমার ক্লাসরুমে স্টুডেন্ট আছে, within the class I also cannot do many sums, but through this channel definitely I will try to help you all. So stay updated and take its benefit. Thank you everyone.